Unarguably, industrialization plays a vital role in the economic development of underdeveloped countries through job creation, poverty eradication and mass production of goods and services. Industries, no doubt, play a complex role in economic development. Industrialization, the development of industries on a broad scale, is one policy vigorously pursued and strategically implemented by the Udom Emmanuel-led administration in Akwa Ibom State that has left many astonished. The advantage of the policy has not only changed the status of a state from a core civil service state to a bubbling industrial hub within the south-south region of Nigeria, and has increased the revenue base of a state with increased employment opportunities for the many unemployed youths. The industrialization policy has promoted the advent of specialized labor as division of work increases the marginal value product of labor, thus enhancing the profitability of the average Akwa Ibom worker. One area of interest is that the Industrial Revolution has no doubt brought about a rise and growth in the agricultural sector, with increased savings and investments for wealth creation. Akwa Ibom today presents an industrialization success story. From 2015 to 2021 alone, the basic foundation that will propel great economic prosperity had been laid, with its attendant consequences of urbanization and population growth. Uyo is fast growing and expanding due to the influx of people and companies. As the governor himself noted recently, the central focus of the government's initial 5-point agenda, which have now condensed into the 8-point agenda, was to rapidly industrialize the state and change the narrative as a purely civil service-oriented state to an industrializing one with robust information, communication and technology ICT and manufacturing base. The 21-story Dakada Tower. The 21-story smart building in Uyo, the Dakada Towers, which is a flagship project of the Governor Udom Emmanuel-led government of Akwa Ibom State, has been declared completed and up for lease to high-end clientele. The smart office complex is located in the central business district of Uyo, the Akwa Ibom State capital. The governor of Akwa Ibom State, Udom Emmanuel, describes a Dakada Tower as one of the smartest, intelligent and most modern building in Nigeria today. The 21-story Dakada Tower was constructed by VKA's Construction Company Limited and has had a land area of 48,200 square meters and a total build area of 18,639 square meters. Dakada Tower is 108.8 meters high and 5.8 meters tall, making it the tallest building in the south-south region of Nigeria. The amenities and features of this building include 500 parking bays, 4 elevators, access control systems, humidity and temperature sensors, central cooling system, fire electric pumps, technical rooms, E30 cabling for S90 fire, boom barrier for cars, and a mechanical floor that controls sewage and takes care of waste disposal. Governor Udom Emmanuel has advised international oil companies to relocate to Uyo and secure offices in the 21-story Dakada Tower, fondly called the Smart Building, as it was ready to accommodate them. The Coconut Virgin Oil Refinery. The St. Gabriel Coconut Factory is designed to generate over 1,300 direct jobs and 3,000 indirect employment opportunities. The coconut factory has a capacity of processing 300,000 coconuts per shift, which will produce 66 tons in a day from 3 shifts of production, while employing 300 people to work in a shift. The coconut factory has a capacity to process 1 million nuts a day and has the potential to produce 66 tons per day and has supporting coconut plantations across the state. Ibom Air. On May 24, 2019, Ibom Air left Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport Abuja back to Akwa Ibom International Airport Uyo after a successful round of test flights. While on June 7, 2019, history was made again when Ibom Air inaugural flight Z4102 took off from Uyo en route to Lagos, a journey that opened the floodgate of several other flights that has revolutionized air travel in Nigeria. On Tuesday, 10th September 2019, exactly 3 months and a day since the company began commercial flight operations, Ibom Air carried her 50,000th passenger during the boarding of the flight Z4100 from Uyo to Lagos. The spice of this feat is that passenger number 50,000 turned out to be a first-time Ibom Air traveler, Miss Ruth Nsaka. The growth and expansion has never compromised its signature of scheduled reliability, on-time departures and superior service that has become the envy of other airlines. Ibom Air scorecard includes over 96% schedule reliability and 94% on-time performance, unparalleled in Nigeria's aviation history. A key benefit of Ibom Air's very modern fleet of Bombardier CRJ-900 aircraft is that they all come factory fitted with high efficiency particulate air HEPA filters. HEPA filters are high intensity filters that do not just filter dust but effectively capture greater than 99.97% of the airborne microbes in cabin air, including microscopic particles such as bacteria and viruses. Cabin air in HEPA-equipped aircraft generally pass through the filters every 2 to 3 minutes, removing contaminants and greatly enhancing the quality of air in the cabin. Jubilee Syringe Factory. The Jubilee Syringe Manufacturing Company was established in 2017 for the purpose of producing disposable syringes in Nigeria. The syringes are made from the highest quality medical-grade raw materials with state-of-the-art technology. Reputed to be Africa's largest syringe production company, Jubilee Syringe Factory has also expanded its scope of production to cover varieties of medical consumables as the government doubles efforts to suitably position the state as a budding medical tourism destination. The factory is located in Ona local government area, Akwa Ibom State. It covers 8,000 square meters of indoor space and 42,000 square meters of outdoor space. The Metering Company. Africa's first ever electric metering industry was set up to reduce the high cost of electricity tariff and encourage micro, small and medium-scale businesses to spring up in every nook and cranny of the state. The company has a mission to produce single-phase and three-phase electricity meters in various configurations and mountings, lightweight, slim, skeletal, compact meters for pole-top installation, prepayment type meters, split type electricity meters, standard 1-unit electricity meters, bulk electricity meters, maximum demand meters and smart electricity meters. The King's Flour Mill Company. King's Flour Mill Limited was established in 2019 with a vision to meet the growing needs for superior wheat-based flour and other agro-allied products and to be #1 agri-based company in Africa, providing solutions to support players in the agro-processing value chain. With a mission to produce wheat-based products using the best global practices and processes, harnessing environmentally friendly technology and people capabilities. The Liberty Oil and Gas Free Zone. The Liberty Oil and Gas Free Trade Zone in Ikorabasi local government area of Akwa Ibom State has taken off with the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between the Akwa Ibom State government and Oil and Gas Free Zone Authority. The commencement of operations follows the receipt of the first cargo components, establishment of an immigration office, and setting up of a dedicated customs command in a free trade zone. This will be another stimulant for industrial revolution, while the Aluminum Smelter Company of Nigeria, located in Ikorabasi, is on the verge of being resuscitated following a partnership between the Akwa Ibom State government and the federal government of Nigeria. Greenwill Fertilizer Plant. Greenwill Fertilizer Plant is one of the public-private partnership projects of Governor Domimano administration. The multi-fertilizer blending plant has an annual production capacity of 400,000 metric tons. The plant is located in Okuabak, Abak local government area of Akwa Ibom State. The plant has the capacity to blend assorted and multi-purpose types of fertilizer. The plant currently is producing 3 high-in-demand types of fertilizer, including 20-10-10, 12-12-17 plus 2 MgO, and 15-15-15. The Greenwill fertilizer plant has a staff strength of 30 and all indigents of Akwa Ibom State. The 10-lane road. The road is divided into 2, has a portion from Aron Road to Waniba Road, named after the first indigenous military governor of the state, Idonsit Nkanga, while the stretch from Aron Road to Aka Road is named after former governor of Old Cross River State, Clement Isong. The 9.5 kilometer road is 35 meters wide with a 250 millimeter thickness of stone base and a 60 millimeter of binder course. It has a 50 millimeter of asphalt laying course as well as a 7 millimeter deep, 2 millimeter wide of underground flood control tunnel constructed by Nigeria Engineering Company, HENSEC Integrated Services. Akwa Ibom today is a success story that continues to astonish many as a hub for aviation, a hub for infrastructure, a hub for healthcare delivery, and a hub, above all, for agriculture and industrial revolution. If all these benefits could be derived from the industrialization policy in just 6 years, one can only imagine what Akwa Ibom will look like when the Ibom Deep Sea Port comes on board, when the Liberty Free Trade Zone begins to flourish, when the multiplier effect of the numerous companies and factories begin to flourish. Indeed, under Governor Udomi Manuel, Akwa Ibom State remains Nigeria's best kept secret.